students, in my class today we are going to see about reproduction in organism. What is reproduction? Reproduction is a fundamental feature of all living organism. Reproduction is a biological process. What is the use of reproduction? It is a genetic, first one individual variation, another one continuation of speciation. The young ones grow and mature to repeat the process. So what is reproduction? Reproduction is a biological process. Today we are discuss about the main topic, mode of reproduction. All mode of reproduction have some special features. First one, RNA synthesis, protein, DNA replication, formation of reproduction unit. The mode of reproduction in two types. First one, asexual reproduction, another one sexual reproduction. First one, asexual reproduction. What is asexual reproduction means? Absent of sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, what is absent of sexual reproduction? This type of reproduction, single parent involved. Single parent involved. Another one important point, no gamete formation, no involvement of gametes. No involvement of gamete formation. So result, all the offsprings are identical, genetically identical. Okay. So asexual reproduction means absent of sexual reproduction, single parent involved, no involvement of gamete. So result, all the offsprings are genetically identical. Next one, sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction means two parent involved in the reproduction. So involvement of gamete formation, two type of gametes involved in the sexual reproduction. Involvement of gamete formation, two type of gamete involved. So what are the two type of gamete? First one, male gamete and another one female gamete. Male gamete is called sperm and female gamete is called ova. Two gamete involved in the sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction seen in widely spread in many organisms. For example, bacteria, archaea, prostida. Okay, they are mainly asexual reproduction seen in animals. First one, fission, sporulation, budding, germinal formation, fragmentation and regeneration. Fission, second one, budding, third one, sporulation, fourth one, germinal formation, fifth one, fragmentation, sixth one, regeneration. Okay, first we see the fission. What is fission? Fission means the parent body divided into the two or more. Okay, two or more identical individual produced. It is called fission. Okay, fission is divided into the four types based on the first we see the fission. Fission depending based on the plan of fission. is divided into the 4 parts. First one, binary fission. Binary fission, bi means 2. So, parent body divided into the 2 halves. So, 2 identical daughter individual produced. So, next one, binary fission is based on the division of 4 type of present. First one, simple irregular binary fission. Second one, transverse binary fission. Another one, longitudinal binary fission. Last one, oblique binary fission. First we see the simple irregular binary fission. First one, simple irregular binary fission. Example, amoeba. Double. Okay. Simple irregular binary fission. Example, amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. Okay, it is a irregular shaped organism. The first contractive vacuole disappear. Okay. Next, the nucleolus disintegrate, and nucleus is divided into the 2 parts. Okay. Another one, last middle, the cell of the middle part is contract. The amoeba, the cell is divided into the 2 halves. Okay, simple irregular binary fission. Example, amoeba. Amoeba is a irregular shaped organism. The first disintegrate the contractive vacuole, and nucleus is divided, and the cell is middle place. Cell can contract the middle place. Next is the nucleus is divided into the 2 halves. The nucleus is divided by mitotically or amitotically. Mitotic cell division means cell divided into the 2 parts. Next, fission, transverse binary fission. Transverse binary fission example, organ paramecium. Paramecium is क्या है? Macronucleus and micronucleus. Macronucleus, another one, micronucleus. oral draw is present. In paramecium, the plan of fission is transverse axis. The macronucleus is divided by amitosis and micronucleus is divided by mitosis. So, the two daughter individual is developed. Next one, longitudinal binary fission. Longitudinal binary fission. So, the plan of fission is longitudinal axis. The first divide the nuclear fission. Example, euglena. Longitudinal binary. The plan of fission is longitudinal axis. The basal body is divided into the two parts. One flagellum is retained into the daughter cells. So, another one is developed into the new individuals. So, the euglena is divided into the two. Okay, new basal granule to form a flagellum. So, another one individual is formed a new daughter individuals. Oblique binary fission. Oblique binary fission, the base on the oblique axis. The example, dinoflagellate. Dinoflagellus is one kind of algae. Next one, multiple fission. Multiple means many. So, the parent body divided into the many parts to develop a daughter individual. Okay. So, the first nucleus divided with repeatedly without the division of cytoplasm. Later, the cytoplasm is divided into the many daughter individuals. That is called multiple fission. Okay. So, multiple fission means the parent body divided into the many parts. Example, in Plasmodium. Plasmodium is a one kind of protozoan. In Plasmodium, multiple fission occurs in the Plasmodium two stages. First one, Sison stage, another one, oocyte stage. Another one, oocyte stage. When multiple fission occurs in the Sison stage, the stage is called schizogeny. The new individuals is called merocytes. Another one, when Plasmodium multiple fission occurs in the oocyte stage, the stage is called sporogeny. The new individuals is called sporocytes. For example, Sison stage. Look at the board. The rupture of zygons the rupture, last one, the schizosome stage, the rupture of zygon, the neurocyte is developed, that is a daughter individuals. It is a multiple fission. Multiple fission, example in plasmodium, when plasmodium multiple fission occurs in the plasmodium, two stages, schizosome stage, another one oocyte stage. Okay, thank you students.